What's up, guys? We're doing a day in Lake Elsinore, meeting up with the boys here at McVickers Skatepark. We got Al over there stretching.
What's up, boys?
Getting a little stretch on. And yeah, stoked to do a little day in Lake Elsinore. Meet up Lucas and Damien, some of the homies, do a little tour. Let's get into it. Easy peasy.
I nose boned it.
Nose bone.
Yep, that was sick.
You know, it sucks, man. Can't win them all. And I'm bummed out because I win most of my battles. I'm trying to be cocky, but I win most of them. You can ask
Can't win them all. Sometimes you just gotta accept it.
And accepting it sucks, but it's the truth.
Brutal truth.
Welcome to skateboarding. Hi there, guys. We're here at the monorail. 24 feet of fun. What we're gonna do here is slide, grind, all sorts of combinations, and if you're lucky, we might slide and grind on the same trip. The trips usually go down, but if you really are a badass, you might even want to go up. Yeah, this is out Brunelle, and this is the monorail. Nice lid on the tail? Yeah, I'm sure it looks right. You can tell from right up there.
Alright, sorry, couldn't make the lip slide. I don't want everybody to have to wait any longer, so we're just gonna move on. Got pretty tired and burnt out. It's getting hot out here. Gonna grab some food and probably check out one or two more spots and make our way after that. Getting pretty exhausted, but Lake Elsinore is so fun, so many good spots. Thanks Lucas for taking us around and showing us a good time. Let's keep checking it out. Then we're gonna check out this banked wall that's pretty close to here. Let's get it. Lake Elsinore was fun. Thanks Lake Elsinore for the good times, fun sessions. We're beat. We gotta head home because I'm dead. Even though we tried to hit that last spot, pretty much had nothing left in me. I think you had nothing left in you.
Toast.
Allie ate a lot of shit today. We had a lot of fun. Good times all together. Anything left to say?
Thank you, Lucas, for showing us your area. Lake Elsinore, you were great to us, and God bless.
God bless. And thanks for you for making this far in our video.